Hello everyone, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Our subject today is Geography Standard 6. We are going to discuss lesson number 4, Weather and the Climate. Let us begin the lesson by answering some of these questions with the help of the table given in your textbook. The weather conditions of few places in India are as follows on 10th of June. Use the above table to answer the following questions. In which place will the clothes on a cloth line dry quickly? Why? In Bhopal, the clothes on the clothes line will dry quickly. Due to the hot sun, the water in the wet clothes get converted into water vapor quickly. In which place will they dry slowly and why? Clothes will take longer time to dry in Missouri because of the medium heat and cold air. Will the atmospheric condition at these places always remain the same or will they change? The atmospheric condition of these places will change from time to time. The weather condition at each of the places given above are different on 10th of June. Kochi has cloudy weather. It means there is a little sunlight and the sky is full of clouds. The rainy season has started and moisture in air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. At Bhopal, there is hot sun. The water in the wet clothes gets converted into vapor quickly. We all know that due to the heat of the sun, the water gets evaporated, changes its state from water to vapor and evaporates in the sky. As the water gets converted from the wet clothes into vapor quickly and the clothes dry within a short period of time. Missouri is located in the north of Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less rays of heat or less solar heat. The air there is cool. Due to its location on a mountain, clothes take longer time to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. Factors like heat, moisture, and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. Which of the following statements are applicable to the conditions that you have experienced today or yesterday at the place where you live? It was cold in the morning. In the afternoon, it became sultry. It rained suddenly in the afternoon. Cool breeze was blowing at dawn. Clouds gathered in the evening. The night sky was full of stars and a pleasant breeze was blowing. During the day, we experience various phases like morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We also experience the change on the amount of heat received from the sun during these phases of the day. We all always experience the atmospheric condition prevailing at places and at a given time. We often hear to the talks that it was very cold morning today or it was very hot in the afternoon. Or sometimes we also hear saying that the cold wind was blowing today. But These conditions are for a short period of time. They do not last for a long. These conditions are called as weather. For example, we say weather is hot, cool, dry, sultry, etc. We all know that a year consists of 365 days, and these 365 days are divided into various different seasons, which we call as Ritu Chakra also. Since childhood, we have experienced different types of seasons like summer, rainy season, and winters. Let us try to answer the above questions. In which months do summer, the rainy season, and winter season occur in a year from January to December? Which special clothes do we use if it is raining? When do we use woolen clothes? In which seasons do we mainly use thin cotton clothes? We experience summer from February to May, rainy season from June to September, winter season from October to January. These are the various seasons or climates that we experience throughout the year from January to December. If it rains, we usually carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat. We use woolen clothes in winter season. We use thin cotton clothes in summer season. We have observed and noticed that seasons last for a particular period and each season occurs at a particular time of the year. Many scientists have tried to observe the weather in a region for many years. With the help of such studies, they define the mean weather conditions. The average weather conditions of a place observed over a long period of time is the climate of that region. Climate is generally expressed as cool and dry, hot and humid, or hot and dry. The weather changes quite often due to the change in the temperature, winds, and humidity. We always experience these changes. The sum total of all these elements define weather. However, these changes in the weather conditions affect our day-to-day activities and lifestyle. Elements of weather are taken into consideration while describing the climate. Following are the elements of weather: temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, and precipitation. We shall discuss them in our next video, that is part 2. I hope you have understood this part of the video. Thank you, children.